Vaginal Microbiome, 2019 article of FSSAI, where they have studied the microbiome of the preterm, late preterm, and term pregnant mothers, and they found that the microflora varies during the pregnancy based on the months of pregnancy, and then the variations were seen at family level, genus level, as well as species level. And as the figure is very difficult to read, only by colors you can see that what are the variations are there. But in this slide, I will show you that what is the relative abundance of different kinds of microflora. Overall, in all, the Firmicutes is a dominant phyla, major, followed by Actinobacteria. And especially if you come to the genus level, Lactobacilli dominates 77.9% as against all others. And if this balance is maintained, usually the human remains healthy. But if there are disturbances, you need to have remedial measures to control it. One of the major problem in the women, especially related to the microbiota, is bacterial vaginosis. It's the most common disease, and the overall 19 to 24% of them in reproductive age has got one or the other kinds of, or more or less severe kind of bacterial vaginosis in the system. And as I told earlier, the members of genus Lactobacillus are commonly identified as hallmark of normal healthy vagina, and they play a major role in this because they are accompanied with the production of lactic acid, resulting into lowering of the vaginal pH. And the microflora from the Indian studies shows that Lactobacillus reuteri has been the most dominant species of Lactobacilli within this genus. These are some symptoms of bacterial vaginosis and what happens, the side effects and other things, especially preterm labor and delivery and post-cesarean endometritis or post-abortion pelvic inflammatory disease or cervicitis. So these are the complications which are coming as a result of the disturbed flora or in the vaginal tract, or especially the bacterial vaginosis. And that is why it has got a huge significance in the women's and baby's health. For treatment of BV, either oral route or intravaginal route can be employed. And most of the treatments have been based on the in vitro studies done, as well as some in vivo studies done, especially in animal models as well as in the human clinical trials. However, the number of human clinical trials are very less, but still such preparations are available in the market in a very huge diversity and quantities. Probably many of them are not really backed by the real clinical trials.